So hi guys, ito nandito tayo ngayon sa Baras Rizal at ito yung Punta de Pabian na resort. Parang taas ng bundok na to eh. Napakaganda ng view, mamaya makikita nyo. At syempre lilibutin natin kasama ng ating pamilya. No? Sinama ko yung dalawang anak ko tsaka yung wife ko for some long weekend vacation. Tama-tama to para sa mga gustong mag-unwind, stress release, no? Napakaganda dito sa lugar na to, napakatahimik. Maganda yung view, nakaka-relax talaga. So mamaya makikita natin kung ano ang meron dito sa Punta de Pabian. So ito ngayon guys, so sa loob na tayo ng Punta de Pabian. So yung kanina, yung intro video natin, nandun tayo sa kanilang playground area tsaka basketball court. So ito yung kanilang mga rooms na available. So dito yung mga rooms for big family. Tapos sa baba may billiard table, may darts, kompleto ng amenities. Tapos for groups, yung mga may seminar, conference, may mga retreats, ayan, meron silang parang function hall or conference room. So guys, ayan na, yung mga kiddies nag-e-enjoy. Syempre pati yung mommy nag-e-enjoy. Ayan, oh. Si Lara, oh. Say hi, Lara. Hi. At syempre, ang aking munchkins, ang super enjoy. Oh, show them how to swim. Oh, ganun mag-swim guys, ganun mag-swim. So pagpasok nyo rito sa Punta de Pabian, ito yung kanilang receiving area or the lobby kung saan kayo mag-inquire about or mag-re-reserve, mag-check-in. So then ito yung kanilang area dito. Yan. So ito pa yung mga rooms nila. So meron silang infinity pool. So, infinity pool for the adults, and then on the right side yung pang kids. So, para ma-enjoy nila while overlooking the towns of Baras and Tanay. Ayan. So, nung pagka napunta ka dito sa gabi, makita nyo yung liwanag nung town sa baba. Napakaganda. Kasi kagabi, nakakita pa kami ng fireworks. So, they also have place over there for big groups na overlooking. Para kung saan kayo pwedeng kumain, may video okay sila. Tapos ayan. So guys, napakaganda dito, napakaganda. Sulit ang punta nyo dito sa Baras Rizal. Syempre, huwag nyo kakalimutan bumisita dito sa Punta de Pabian. Mamaya makikita nyo kung bakit may pangalan dun sa resort, Punta de Pabian. May history kasi ito eh, may history. So guys, ito yung infinity pool. Ito siya sa umaga. Hindi na natin na-videohan kagabi kasi medyo maambon. So yan, overlooking talaga siya dun sa mga towns sa baba like Tanay and Baras. So nakaka-relax, sobrang enjoy dito, tahimik, peaceful, talagang parang you're close to nature dito sa resort na to. Okay guys, so itong resort na to ay pagmamayari ng isa sa relatives namin, right, in the Pabian side, si Auntie Tessie Pamintuan. So nung nasa Subic tayo nung Saturday, nagsabi tayo kay Kuya Rob Pamintuan, no? Kuya Rob, na kung pwede ba tayong bumisita kasi 6 years ago may nakita akong vlog na sabi Punta de Pabian dito sa Baras Rizal nga. So sabi ko, na-curious, sabi ko, Pabian, parang paka-amin to So nag-joke ako, sabi ko, guys, punta kayo dito sa resort namin. So pabiro kong pinost yun. Tapos one of my titas nag-comment na sabi, JC, I think that's one of owned by one of your relatives. Sabi ko, talaga tita? So I asked my mom, sabi ko, ma, alam mo ba yung Punta de Pabian? Sabi niya, oo, kailangan antitesi mo yan. Oh, sabi ko, talaga? So na-surprise ako, parang nag-backfire pa yun. Tapos yun nga, so nag-joke tayo nun. So sabi ko, makabisita dito sa Punta de Pabian one of these days. So ito na nga, after 6 years in the making, at nakapunta na tayo kasama ng family natin. So ayun, nag-greet tayo ng mga cousins, sila Ate Carla, sila Ate Moti, ayan. Nandito sila din kahapon, no, tiyempohan natin dito yung mga other cousins natin. And it's fun to reconnect with your family, no, lalo na kung dito pa sa ganito kagandang lugar. So ayan talaga yung mga rooms nila, no. So lahat yan air conditioned naman yung rooms nila. They have plenty of rooms, hindi mauubusan. Ito pa yung mga rooms sila sa baba. So ayan. So you can check out their rates sa kanilang Facebook page, Punta de Pabian. Ayan. Tapos i-greet naman kayo ng kanilang mga receptionist, mga service staff nila. Dito napakabait, napakamasikaso. At syempre, yung atmosphere dito sobrang relaxing, ano. Talagang you're one with nature, kumbaga. Ayan, oh, makita nyo guys. O, di ba? Nadapa pa ang baby ko. So guys, let's enjoy the video to. Tingnan nyo pa kung ano pa yung mga meron dito, no. Napakaganda ng place and I hope you visit this as well, no. Punta de Pabian dito sa Baras, Rizal. Alright guys, see you later.
See you later.
At syempre, enjoy na enjoy ang ating kiddos. Ayan si Aurora. Say hi, baby.
Hi, this is Aurora. We're in the mountain. This is our bedroom.
Baby, tell them where's our room. There, okay. So,
And this is our swimming pool.
see,
This is
anak, and this is not ours. We just visited here. So, akala ng mga bata amin, hindi amin to. Wish we owned this, pero syempre, hindi. So, napakaganda and the kids really enjoyed here. At syempre, pati si wifey. Ayan. Ang ating wife. So, enjoy na enjoy ang mga bata dito. Especially the adults. Nakaka-relax from busy day at the office for a week. You can definitely go here dito sa Baras, Rizal. So, we came from Calamba, Laguna. So, what we did is we went via SLEX, then Bikutan, tapos C5. C5, C6 yata yun. Tapos yun, papunta na rito galing Taytay.
hello. This is our swimming pool. I can jump here. Okay, how to jump like this? Malayo. Is it good?
Ayan. So ayun mga kiddos, sa infinity pool.
Look, there's a frog.
Ha?
Hello,
Hello
Ninang.
Ninang, this is Aurora again. Nagbo-vlog na rin yata ang panganay ko. So ayan. Ito naman kasi yung view nila. This is the view. So that's Laguna de Bay. I don't know what that part is, pero alam ko on the left side, that's going towards Laguna. Ayan. So mamaya diyan kami dadaan pa uwi. Ma-traffic na sana eh. Going back to Manila. Ay, sarap. Thank you po Lord for this place. And of course, thank you for accommodating us. Punta de Pabian. Ayan. Thank you sa aking mga cousins for welcoming us yesterday. Kay Kuya Rob, kay Carla, kay Timothy, yung tita ko, and then kila, of course, Auntie Tessie.
Hello, Ninang. This is me, Aurora again. So, we're in the swimming pool. Look. I can breathe underwater. Tapos, I see so many things in here. Mushrooms, Mama Mary here, and a lot of chairs. Okay, we're gonna swim. Okay? Labi na kami mauwi. Tapos we will miss you. This is our swimming pool. There's many swimming pools here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 swimming pools. So, there's 6 swimming pools here. And this is our house. You see it right there? Back up here.
There are 6?
There's 6 swimming pools. And Luisa frog.
Yeah, she's right. There's 6 swimming pools. Just divided.
Yes,
Times 2?
there's 6 swimming pools and
You say bye-bye. You say bye-bye, guys.
bye bye guys.
Wave the camera.
Bye bye guys. Bye bye guys.